Instant noodles. They are in your dorm drawer, your emergency kit, and maybe your heart. But did you know this humble 3-minute meal was born from desperation? After World War II, Japan faced food shortages. Bread was being pushed by the US. But one man had a better idea. Enter Momofuku Ando. He believed peace will come to the world when people have enough to eat. In 1958, after months of trial and error, he finally cracked the code. Noodles that could be flash fried, stored dry, and cooked in hot water in just 3 minutes. Ando's invention took off. It wasn't just convenient, it was a cultural reset. Ramen shops became trendy, and by the 1970s, instant noodles had gone global. Today, over 100 billion servings of instant noodles are eaten every year. They are more than food, they are emotional. For students, it's survival. For prisoners, a currency. For busy workers, a late-night savior. Cup noodles became iconic. Ramen flavors became regional identities. You can even visit a ramen museum in Japan where you make your own. Who would have guessed that something so simple would feed so many and became a pop culture legend along the way?